Today we are going to discuss on the contrasting characters of the pea plant studied by Gregor John Mendel. Mendel studied 7 pairs of contrasting characters of the pea plant at the time of hybridization experiment. What is meant by contrasting characters? Alternative forms of a character is known as contrasting character. Alternative forms of a character known as contrasting characters. And such type of 7 pairs of contrasting character studied by Gregor John Mendel at the time of hybridization experiment of the pea plant. First character of the pea plant studied by Gregor John Mendel, that is height of the plant. Alternative forms of height character are tall and darkness. This tall character becomes a dominant character and dark character becomes a recessive character. You know what is the dominant and what is the recessive? The characters of the parent appear in the F1 generation known as dominant character. Characters of the parent appear in the hybrid condition or in the heterozygous condition regarded as dominant character. Dominant character always expressed in the homozygous as well as in the heterozygous condition. That is known as dominant character. And the characters of the parent not appear in the hybrid condition, not appear in the F1 generation, is known as recessive character. And recessive character appear only in the homozygous condition. Recessive character appear only in the homozygous condition. Here we have to study in detail. Tall character is dominant character which may appear in the heterozygous condition and homozygous condition. Then what is homozygous and what is heterozygous? That we have to learn. Homozygous means the characters of the parent appear due to the presence of identical pair of factor or alleles or gene known as homozygous character. Characters of the parent may appear due to the presence of identical pair of factor. The factor denoted by alphabets. Gregor John Mendel used the term factor for that something responsible for the inheritance of character. So factor is something present in the body of organism responsible for the inheritance of character. And this factor term used by Gregor John Mendel. Later on, factor term changed into gene. And alternative forms of factor or gene known as allele. Here, identical pair of factor denoted by alphabet. Tallness character developed by identical pair of factor capital T, it becomes homozygous character. And when the character produces produced by dissimilar pair of factor, capital T, small t. Such type of character may becomes heterozygous. So dominant character may appear in the heterozygous condition as well as in the homozygous condition. But recessive character which may not appear in the heterozygous condition. Recessive character only appear in the homozygous condition. Recessive character tallness is dominant character and darkness is recessive character. Recessive character only appear in the homozygous condition, that is dark character. Then second character studied by Gregor Johann Mendel is position of the flower. Position of flower. Axile flower and terminal flower. Axile flower is a dominant character which may be homozygous or heterozygous. Terminal character is recessive character which is homozygous because it is recessive character. Then color of the flower. Color of flower. In the textbook, color of the flower shows purple or red. The purple character or red character may appear due to the presence of capital R or capital R, small r, homozygous and heterozygous. So it is a dominant character. And recessive character is white character, white. And it is produced due to the presence of recessive allele, small r, small r. Then flower may develop into fruit character. Fruit character. Fruit shape. Inflated. Developed due to the presence of homozygous condition and heterozygous condition. So it is dominant character, inflated. It means the pod shape is such type. Such type of pod shape may develop. Pod shape. Such type of pod shape may be inflated. And recessive character of the pod shape is constricted. Developed due to the presence of recessive allele, homozygous condition, small I. Then fruit color or pod color. Fruit color. The dominant character in the pea plant of the fruit color is green, and and it is appear due to the presence of homozygous or heterozygous condition. Capital G, capital G, capital G, small g, heterozygous and homozygous condition. Green color is dominant character, and yellow color of the pod is due to the presence of small g allele, recessive allele. Then in seed shape, the dominant character of the seed shape is round and recessive character is wrinkled. Round is developed due to the presence of genotype capital W or capital W small w. And here small w genotype, recessive character. Then the seed color of the pea plant, seed color yellow is dominant character or colored is dominant character. Yellow, capital Y or capital Y, small y. And recessive character of the seed is green, small y. So such type of 7 pairs of contrasting character studied by Gregor John Mendel. So here what happened? The contrasting characters studied by Gregor John Mendel one by one in the hybridization experiment. Remember that you should have to serially character remember. सर्वांनी लक्षात ठेवा की हे कॅरेक्टर लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी किंवा सिरियली कॅरेक्टर लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी एक क्लू आहे. त्या ठिकाणी हाईट झाल्यानंतर वनस्पतीवरती फ्लावर निर्माण होतात. फ्लावरचे कॅरेक्टर, पोझिशन ऑफ द फ्लावर, कलर ऑफ द फ्लावर. त्यानंतर फुलापासून काय तयार होतं? फळ तयार होतं. फळाचा कलर, फळाचा शेप, हे दोन्ही स्टडी करायचं. फळामध्ये काय असतं? सीड असतं. त्याच्यानंतर इथं सीडचा कलर, सीड शेप आणि सीड कलर. म्हणजे फुलापासून फळ तयार होतं, फळामध्ये सीड तयार होतं. त्याचे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक स्टडी केलेले आहेत. म्हणजे असे 7 पेअर्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कॅरेक्टर स्टडी केलेले आहे Gregor John Mendel in the hybridization experiment. Such type of 7 pairs of contrasting character as observed by Gregor John Mendel and studied in the hybridization experiment. Thank you.